guys. So let us set up our Visual Studio Code, right? So after you have downloaded and installed your Visual Studio Code, okay, you need to open it, right? And you will be met with this interface, right? So if you go here, this is where we are going to download our extensions, okay? So the first thing, you need to search Python, right? Search Python and install the Python extension, okay? This one, click on it and install it, okay? I have already installed mine. You'll be met with an option to install, right? And the Python debugger, I have already installed mine. You'll be met with an option to install. So mind you, I'm using the Microsoft extensions, okay? You can use any, but I prefer the Microsoft extensions, right? Good. After that, that's it. We are done with um, the setup of the Python environment, and we can then start coding. Yeah.